Hi guys, in this video we will learn to convert any music clip into 8D music. So before getting any further ado, let's get started. Open Filmora and import any desired audio. Drag the audio to the audio track 1. I will be editing only the first 45 seconds to make the video short but productive. Prefer wearing earphones while working on this project. Copy the audio and drag it to the second audio track. Double-click on first audio, change the audio settings as shown in video. Now there will be only one audio track devoted to each side of earphone. Cut both the audios into 5 seconds clips. Use Ctrl+B or the scissors icon to trim the audio. Now drag the slider on the clip so that the audio fades out. Do the opposite to the below track. Do opposite effect to 2 consecutive tracks to give it a tunnel effect. Try to match the procedure as shown in this video.
Yeah, I just wanna be the greatest. Everybody knows my name, shit. I'ma have this whole fucking game list, spitting with the same wit, and I'm gonna be
Your 8D audio track is ready. Like the video and subscribe the channel. Press the bell icon to get updated with the new content.
Yeah, I just wanna be the greatest. Everybody knows my name.